Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Alan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my Facebook ad testing strategy for Shopify dropshipping. Okay guys, here we are in one of my Facebook ad manager's account. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is you guys are going to want to optimize for conversions. Let's go ahead and continue. I almost forgot to mention, guys, when you are labeling your ad sets, label them like this. Label them e-packet countries, space, and then your interest / engage shoppers or online shopping. And then this little number right here is how many the potential reaches. So always name your ad sets like that, just so it's a lot easier and a lot more organized. And then for the conversion, you want to use purchase. Always optimize for purchases, guys, even if you're testing without any data. Even if the pixel is fresh, go ahead and always optimize for purchase. That tells Facebook that you are looking for purchasers. And then, I don't only just test the United States, I test e-packet countries. Okay, boom, there you are. Always filter this by people who live in this location as well. I typically always target people that are 21 and over, 21 to age 65. All genders. If it's a product for a certain gender, you always want to target that gender. Detailed targeting, here it is, guys. Here's my testing strategy. So I would just go ahead and type in an interest. Say we're targeting a makeup product, okay? You would just go ahead and target one makeup company, right? So it'd be NARS Cosmetics, and you always want to narrow down by engaged shoppers. Okay, or online shopping. I've tested both of these guys, and these two are my favorite to narrow down by engaged shoppers and online shopping. Okay, so then you want to move down to your placements. I only test Facebook and Instagram feeds when I am testing. So you want to just go ahead and get rid of all these that you don't need. And then boom, you should be good to go. And then change the daily budget to $10 a day. And depending on your budget, I always test with 5 to 10 ad sets when I'm testing a product. So usually that would be, $100, $50 daily to $100 daily, depending on how many ad sets you'd like to make. Okay guys, there you guys are. So when you guys go ahead and make your first ad set, just go ahead and go here, click duplicate. And this is very, very simple when it comes to testing, guys. You just want to go ahead and scroll down here. And where it says detailed targeting, go there. Under your interest, the first interest that you selected, just go ahead and click suggestions and select one similar to the one that you already created, right? And that's it. That's basically my testing strategy, guys. So you guys can go ahead and try this out yourself. Let me know in the comments how my testing ad strategy works for you. And yeah, guys, I'd be looking at the comment section. So if you guys have any more questions, feel free to drop a comment. Make sure to check the links in the description as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.